Deep in the universe, far beyond anything we know, there are worlds that push the limits of physics, planets nothing like Earth. Scientists call them extreme exoplanets, but we can simply call them cosmic nightmares. If you're ready, we're heading to places where humanity would never dare to set foot. Our first stop is a world that looks from afar like a deep and peaceful blue ocean. HD 189733b. That beautiful blue color is completely misleading. This world is anything but calm. Winds in its atmosphere reach 8,700 kilometers per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. They are so violent that they turn silicate particles into glass, and those glass shards rain down horizontally like bullets. On top of that, the presence of hydrogen sulfide suggests the planet would smell like rotten eggs, a blinding storm and an unbearable stench. But at least there was a color to see. Now we descend into a place where even light itself struggles to survive. Tres 2b. This is the darkest planet ever discovered. It absorbs 99% of the light that hits it. The reason for this pitch-black void lies in its atmosphere, vapors of sodium and potassium that swallow incoming light. But it isn't entirely black. Its temperature exceeds 1,500 degrees Celsius, causing it to glow with a faint, ominous red, like a dying heating coil. Leaving Tres 2b's suffocating darkness behind, we move toward a brighter, yet far more brutal inferno. WASP 76b. The day side of this planet is so hot that iron literally vaporizes. Powerful winds carry this metal vapor to the cooler night side, where it condenses and falls as molten iron rain. And in 2024, the Cheops telescope discovered something bizarre here, a glory, a rainbow-like halo. Imagine standing under a sky raining molten metal, while above you shimmers a rainbow. The universe has rarely offered a more ironic sight. After the iron storms of WASP 76b, we descend into an underworld planet, Coro 7b. Scientists call it a Chthonian world, a former gas giant stripped down to its core. It was once as massive as Jupiter, but being too close to its star peeled away its entire atmosphere. What remains is a scorched, rocky core covered in oceans of magma. Now it drifts through space as a dead, exposed heart of a planet. Next, we push the limits of heat itself. Kelt 9b, with temperatures reaching 4,300 degrees Celsius, is hotter than many stars. In this inferno, even molecules cannot survive. They break apart into individual atoms. The planet loses millions of tons of atmosphere every second, slowly evaporating into space. Witnessing a world dissolve like this is a rare and tragic cosmic phenomenon. Some planets melt away, others are devoured by their own stars. WASP 12b. The planet whose killer is its own sun. It orbits so close that its shape is distorted into an egg. Its star pulls material from the planet, consuming it bit by bit. Current calculations suggest it has only 3 million years left. On the cosmic calendar, that means it's on its deathbed. With its asphalt black surface, it waits for an inevitable end. All these catastrophes occurred around living stars. But what happens after a star dies? The PSRB 1257+12 system, also known as the zombie worlds. These planets orbit a dead star, a pulsar. With every rotation of that terrifying cosmic lighthouse, the worlds are blasted with lethal radiation. These storms likely create enormous, ghostly auroras that dance across their skies. No warmth, no life, only radiation and spectral light. These planets are the places where the universe hangs a giant "Do Not Enter" sign. They remind us of how extreme the cosmos can be. We study not only the worlds that could host life, but also the ones that push our imagination to its limits. Each of them tells a vivid story about the diversity of the universe and the astonishing processes that shape it.